tub.
What are you doing, Arj?
Baby in the tub. Hey, I rhymed.
What are you doing in there?
I'm going on a boat ride. Can I just move you up a little bit? Because you're right on the corner of the bed there. It makes me a little nervous. Here we go.
What are you doing?
She's standing up by herself in there.
Whoa! Whoa!
Good job. You're only 7 months and look at you go.
She's not 7 months yet.
No, Sunday, sorry. 6 months.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whee!
Whoa!
Oh, she stood by herself.
I know, I
Good job. That's amazing. Okay, kisses. Mwah. Below kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Well, here's Grandma doing Audrey's clothes while Mommy lays in bed.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Audrey. Audrey. Oh. What happened, honey? Hey, you're getting wobbly in there.
Okay, let's go out of there. There you go. You can play with Mommy right there. You have so many cute clothes, Audriana. Do you know that? So many adorable clothes.
Are you crawling? Where are you crawling to? Oh, you gonna sit? You're gonna walk? What are you gonna do? You're pretending to color?
She wants to open that book and chew on it.
You gonna change your own diaper?
Just chew on the diapers, huh, Audrey? Whee!
Can we not eat that, Audrey? It's no good.
No, 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 honey. You get the plastic off. We don't want that. Here. Here's Penny. Here's your little, what do you call these?
Teething?
Bugs?
Soothing? Teething?
No, ladybug.
Oh.
Here's your little ladybug. Yeah. That's nice.
Audrey, I can't see you.
That's nice. Let's turn you around. Let's turn you around. There we go. Go get it.
It's not
I mean, I like that.
dog. Audriella. Audrey. Audrey.
There's nothing left over here.
Audrey. Woof, woof.
Alright, Audrey, I think we're going to change your outfit. And then we're going to I don't know. Can I have that purple?
Oh, you're biting my toes.
Can I have that purple outfit?
No.
I gotta fix this diaper. I did a really bad job.